Hello Bon Bakers, and welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and today I wanted to share with you a really healthy and simple but delicious recipe. We're going to be making chia puddings. These are great if you wanted to do any meal prep or have a really nutritious meal on the go. It's great for breakfast and it's vegan friendly, and it's going to leave you completely satisfied and energized as well. So let's get to it. It's the beginning of a new year, and usually everyone's maybe eaten a little too many naughty treats over the festive season. So that's why I really wanted to kick things off with a delicious, healthy recipe for you. Chia pudding is a great breakfast or meal on the go. The chia seeds are full of a ton of nutrients and have so many health benefits. And this recipe is super simple as well. So you can make this ahead of time and store in the fridge for up to a week, and you're gonna have a really nutritious meal that you will enjoy. There's actually no baking involved with this recipe. There's just a few simple ingredients and steps, and then you'll have a beautiful option for yourself. You know the deal. Come and check out the ingredients that you are gonna need. Over here we have beautiful chia seeds, and once they hit the milk that we're using, these will start to expand and create that beautiful pudding texture. And then over here we have plant-based milk. You can use any plant-based milk that you like. And then we're also going to be using some vanilla essence and some maple syrup or a sweetener of your choice. We're going to top the chia puddings with some fruit, and I've got a variety of fruits here, and you can also use granola or muesli if you like. And I've got a really great morning muesli recipe that's homemade. You can make it all yourself. It's so delicious, and I'll make sure I leave that video in the description box below for you to check out. For the full recipe to download and print, head to thebonbaker.com. Now, there's actually one more thing that you'll need, and that is a glass or a jar or whatever container you're going to do your pudding in. So grab one of those, and then we can start making our pudding. The first thing we're going to do is add 1 teaspoon of our vanilla extract here, or essence, into our plant-based milk. Perfect. And then we'll also add in our maple syrup, and we're going to do 2 teaspoons of that. Now give this a little stir up. Give it a stir until it's well combined, and then we're going to add this into our jar or container. Perfect. Now it's time to add in the chia seeds. Now, when you add in the chia seeds, it's best to add them all in, give them a stir, then let it sit for about anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes, and then after that give it another stir, and that's because the chia seeds will start to sink to the bottom if you don't do that second stir. Give it a good mix so that all of the chia seeds are well dispersed. Look, it looks like a little party going on in there. Okay, into the fridge we go, and as you can start to see here, the chia seeds have started to sink to the bottom already, so it will need that second stir. So off we go, and we'll come back soon and stir it. Okay, my pudding has literally been chilling in the fridge. So it's time to give it that second stir and mix it all about. Get those chia seeds moving again. And then this will help to more evenly disperse the chia seeds within our jar. And this is really just an aesthetic thing. If you don't have the time to wait anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes to give it that second stir, don't worry about it. It's still gonna be delicious. There we go. As you're stirring it, you'll be able to tell it already starts to feel a little bit thicker, and that is perfect. Our little pudding here is well on its way, and it'll be ready to eat after 2 hours or a bit more chill time in the fridge. And I'm gonna let mine set now. If you want to store it, you can as well, so you can grab it and go throughout the week. It can store for about up to 7 days. Just make sure you keep the lid on it, or it nice and tightly sealed. So we don't have to wait those few hours. I did prepare one yesterday for today's filming. This is my little chia pudding all ready to eat. I'm just going to sprinkle it with some fruit and then I can enjoy. I'm gonna put on some berries here. Strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and a little bit of kiwi fruit as well. Beautiful, look how delicious this looks. So healthy, and I can't wait to eat it. There's actually a lot in here. I don't think I'll be able to get through it all in the one session, but I'll give it a go. Guys, you don't have to spend money going out for breakfast if you don't want to. You can make delicious, healthy, and well-priced items yourself at home. Who's hungry? I am hungry. Can't wait to eat this. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. So look at this consistency. You can see the chia seeds have expanded nicely. Really delicious and easy to eat. Grab a bit with some fruit on it. How good. Delicious, nutritious, healthy, tasty, amazing. It's so easy. There's no excuses, you can make it. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today, guys. I really hope that you enjoy this recipe. If you do try it at home, I would love to hear from you. And one last thing, make sure you do hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a new video for you every week, so do it. If you want to see me again, hit that bell notification, and I've got a new video coming every week. I wonder if they're open. Maybe they're closed for Christmas break, who knows? Okay, ready?
Just want sushi.
We just want some sushi. See you again next week.